Good morning, class 10, wherever you are. Welcome all of you in this Kalyanka E-Education special class. Here is N Singh, and I am going to start chapter 9, that is applications of trigonometry, means height and distance. My dear students, in chapter 8, I have explained trigonometric identities, trigonometric ratios, and if you are thinking what is the importance of trigonometry? Trigonometry, as I have told you, very important branch of mathematics. It is used to find the height of any tall object, suppose tower or pole or any high object, without actual measurement by the use of trigonometry. Now, 2 points here: angle of elevation and angle of depression. First you see this figure. Suppose AB is a tower and you are at point C. This is the position of observer. Observer means eye is here. And if you are watching the high object to the top, so this is an angle form here. This is called line of sight. Line of sight. Now if you are watching the top of any object, so the angle will be formed with this horizontal level. This angle is called angle of elevation. Understand? I repeat. Suppose AB is a tower, B is the base of the tower, A is the top of the tower, and any observer is at point C, and he or she is trying to see the object at the top of the object. So angle is formed, and this line through which you are observing, that is called line of sight, and this is horizontal line. Horizontal level. So this angle form is called angle of elevation. Now you see, now observer is here at point P, and Q and R. PQ is a tall building, suppose, and R is any object, and you are at the top of the building, and you are trying to see this object R. So another angle is formed here, horizontal line and the line of sight. So this angle is called angle of depression. So angle of elevation and angle of depression. These 2 points, these 2 terms are very important, very useful for solving the questions of height and distance. My dear students, trigonometry is very important. As I told you, you can find the actual height, the actual distance without actual measurement by the use of trigonometry. So now you can understand what is the importance of trigonometry. So these 2, angle of elevation and angle of depression, these 2 terms. Now you can see the angle for when you are at the top and the object which are observed on the lower level. So this angle is called angle of depression, and now the position is reversed here. You are here, and A is the top of the building or tower, and now you are observing So another angle is formed here. So this angle formed with the angle upside, line upside and horizontal level, that is called angle of elevation. So these two terms, if you have understood, you can solve the question of height and distance. Now question is, sir, how can we find this angle? For your knowledge point of view, I give you the device. The device is theodolites, which are fixed on a rotating telescope to find the angle, and by using the calculation we can find the height of the object. Clinometer you will see in the project. Clinometer is a simple device you can construct in the math lab. With the help of clinometer you can find this angle. But so far as numerical problems are concerned, the angles will be given in the question. But now we will see only for 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. So these three angles are for the level of class 10. So you will concentrate only in these three angles. And I have already explained, and you have also table in your book. You can see and you can find the value. Now you see the question. Suppose this is a tower and you are here, and the angle for at the point of observation from the base of tower, the angle for is suppose 60 degree, and the distance between the base and the observation point is suppose 10 meter. Now question is, how will you find the height of this AB, height of tower? Now you see, for this angle, this is P and this is B. And this you know very well, and it is already understood. This is 90 degree. So now for this angle, if you take tan 60, so P by B, by putting the values, by calculation, you can find the actual height. Now in this right triangle, you take tan 60 degree. Why, sir? Why you are taking tan? We have 6 ratios. Now my dear, for this angle, this is P and this is B. Relationship between P and B, tan and cos. That is why either we can take tan or cos. Tan 60 is equal to P by B, meaning AB by BC. Tan 60 value root 3, AB you have to find, BC is given tan. By cross multiplication, AB is equal to 10 root 3, suppose this is in meters, and this is the height of the tall building or tower. Understand? So, this is the one question I had solved, and many questions in the textbook are given. You will try to solve, and if you have any doubt, you will contact me, and this is my individual mobile number 9977442632. So my dear students, this is my number. You can contact me, and I am sure you will solve all the questions of your textbook, and if not, I will try to solve. Thank you.